रिया एंड मसाबा, मेरा सवाल आपसे है। आपके लेफ्ट में स्पीकर की तरफ हूँ, बस आप सुन लें मुझे। मेरा नाम आलोक है।
ओह सर, वाह।
मेरा सवाल है कि क्या ऐसे सपने हैं या क्या ऐसी चाह है नीना जी की या अनिल कपूर साहब की जो रिया या मसाबा पूरा करना चाहते हैं, या उनसे कभी पूछा है कि अभी भी वो कौन से ड्रीम्स हैं जो आप दोनों एज अ डॉटर्स पूरा करना चाहते हैं?
You know, I think that it's very funny, but I was just literally just having this discussion last night. But apart from my career and my fitness level, my father has never had. I think my father's biggest dream for me is that I have a six pack. You know, I still remember I used to come back from college and I used to be like, Dad, like, this is my GPA. He used to look at me and he used to be like, just be fit, beta. Like, there would be no, like, I would come back and I used to rank in school and I was a full on, like, I was studious and everything. There was no reaction at all. And kabhi aisa nahi hua ki, beta shaadi kar lo, ya, never, not even once. I said, Dad, how do you feel? Like, Sonam and I, like, we're going to get married soon, I think. Like, it happens, right? He said, don't be so dated, beta. You're so outdated, you're so old-fashioned, And he's just never put any pressure. He just says, work hard and just make a fantastic body. That's my father's major dream for me. So I feel like I'll think about fulfilling the
Health is, health is
six
wealth.
pack part of
It's
it,
not
but I
the
just
six
love
pack,
food.
but it's just, if you're healthy, you're happy. Life is fantastic. It's beautiful. Absolutely, you can, all these your personal ambitions, your professional ambitions will be fulfilled if you're feeling healthy and feeling good about yourself. वो कब करना है, क्या करना है, वो अपने आप हो जाएगा यार. टेंशन लेने रहेगा उसका. Don't take stress. Don't
He
take
just
stress.
says that, like, if you're looking great, you've won. You've already defeated them.
For me, it's actually been a little different because my mom sacrificed a large part of her life to bring me up and make sure that I wasn't feeling neglected or my whole life went in a very normal way. So for me, now, because I remember when she used to come home, there used to be this fight between me and my grandfather because both of us wanted to spend time with her. And she used to come home from like a 12-hour workday and we'd sit with her and fight and say, I'll speak to her first or whatever. And I feel like, now when I look back and she tells me sometimes that should I go back to work and or should I start working again, or should I at least do something with my time, because now she's not doing much. I keep telling her that she needs to do something because I keep telling her that she can't let her creativity just sit at home. She's somebody who I think really did a lot of great work back in the day, and that's one dream I have for her. That I think we had this discussion 3-4 days back, that don't sit at home. Even if you sit at home, work from home, or don't make your life just about eating and drinking. Vada pav you can have, but that's okay. You know what I mean? Eat vada pav, but at least write something while you're eating it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
I don't know what you mean.
One episode. So so I feel like that's my biggest dream for her, because when I was a child, she used to tell me, no matter what happens to you, work. No matter where you are, at what point in your life, you have to work. You have to have an individual, independent life away from your parents, from your husband, from your kids tomorrow. And like I said, it's funny that this walking thing has become a thing here, but that's something she used to tell me. She used to take me to Juhu Beach, and I used to cry, but she used to say, it'll save you later. Your body will thank you later. And obviously I did a lot of things that she didn't want me to do, which is why I'm scared to hit 40, like I said. But I think the two things that I wish for her is, one, health, and that she always works. Yeah.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.